Hey there, I'm going to show you how to post website on GitHub. Let's begin. So once you've logged into your GitHub, you're going to go to the top right corner where your profile icon is, and then you're going to click on settings. Now you're going to go to the left side of the screen. So it says public profile and then access and then code planning and automation. We are going to select pages. Now it says verified domains. There are no verified domains. Verified domains restrict who can publish GitHub pages on them. So then you're going to click on the green button which says add a domain. Now it says add a verified domain. What domain would you like to add? So I'm putting here an example. So bbgb.com, and then you go to click on add domain. Before we can verify this domain name, you'll need to complete these steps. So number one, you're going to create a TXT record in your DNS configuration for the following host name. All right, so you can also copy it there if you want to by clicking on this button. And then number two, use this code for the value of the TXT record. Then number three, wait until your DNS configuration changes. This could take up to 24 hours to propagate. So once you're done reading all that, so you're going to click on verify. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free and it helps the channel to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.